Like this? Huh? What's going on? No, I don't think so. You should be alright now, you're on. I guess not. Actually, right? You're getting here. Maybe you are. Now, what? You what for? What are you doing? Yeah, you're having all? You must be having over. You going? Yeah, that's all over right now. You can't have them, Sarah. There's technology or knowledge with power. We find her and enjoy it in history. Maybe Edward. I don't think so. Maybe she's her with her. You know what? You have enough. We're getting here. Stop right there. No answer her like this here. No, you have an older place here. No, that's okay. You can't have your maybe she's a learning path in the lover history. There's a premise history. You're getting here. So what is it doing here? You stop her. Hey, stop. Wait. You're having a lover. Stop. No hitting a start. Stop, Laura. You can't help it here. Maybe your accent. I don't. You don't ask me your what here? Me neither. Don't ask me your lover, huh? No, I don't get it. You're getting here. There's emergency. There is an emergency. What are you doing? Stop right there! Stop right there! Getting here! Stop right there! What's going on? No one no answer her like this. I'm here. Stop right there! No answer like this. There's emergency here. No, that's not alarm. Please don't get alarmed. Your danger is an emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request by the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At exactly midnight, Eastern Standard Time, on January 1st, 2020, a nuclear bomb was detonated at the New York's Times Square Mall. The explosion has caused massive damage and casualties within the Times Square in Midtown Manhattan, and has released radioactive materials into the air. The motive of this attack is unknown at this time. All residents within a 400-mile radius of New York City are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is byproduct of nuclear explosions, and certain death will occur over radiation sickness if exposed to radiation for a prolonged period of time. If no such shelter exists in your area, head underground, or in the innermost portion of your building, and place as many objects between you and the outside world. Make sure you turn off heating and ventilation systems. Stay away from doors and windows. Make sure you have inadequate emergency supply for your fallout shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery or hand crank-powered radio or television. Do not leave your shelter until it is safe by the proper authorities. The President will speak on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in the assigned areas. This is WABC. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this area, you should tune to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
We're just about to get our first pictures from inside the spacecraft with average not Homer Simpson. And we'd like to... Ah! gentlemen, we've just lost the picture, but what we've seen speaks for itself. The Corvair spacecraft has apparently been taken over, conquered, if you will, by a master race of giant space ants. It's difficult to tell from this vantage point whether they will consume the captive Earthmen or merely enslave them. One thing is for certain, there is no stopping them. The ants will soon be here. And I, for one, welcome our new insect overlords. I'd like to remind them that as a trusted TV personality, I can be helpful in rounding up others to toil in their underground sugar caves.
Don't worry, kids. I'm sure your father's all right.
What are you basing that on, Mom?
Who wants ginger snaps?
Well, this reporter was possibly a little hasty earlier. Would like to reaffirm his allegiance to this country and its human president. May not be perfect, but it's still the best government we have. For now. Oh, yes. By the way, the spacecraft's still in extreme danger. May not make it back. Attempting risky re-entry. Blah, 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 blah. We'll see you after the movie.
What's up, you fucking cunts? It's me, Tom from the emergency alert system. I mean, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Wait, what did this fucking bullshit paper just say? I swear to fuck whichever idiot put this on this beautiful sheet of paper will be demolished in the next -4 seconds. Anyways, some stupid boys decided to escape prison, and are now shooting some other boys. So like if you see them, fuck them up or something, lol, I don't care. Now who wants to hear about my life in the form of a 22,000 chapter book? Nobody. Fine. I see how it is, you shitheads. I'm going to fuck that fuckity fuck that you fucking fuck that fucking fuck fuckity fuck that fucking fuck that fucking fuck. You understand? I swear to fuck, if you say another fucking thing about me, I will end here.
We got light here from our school like this. You must be half over you now. You're in her right now. Now remember, you have a place, you don't have a reviewer, not winning. Now having to lower our super shape, you gotta get history. You're gonna get history here. No Lucas, since your operation, you already have this right now. Now, we have a word with the control. Good. Wishing you a holiday. Yes, I must hotly passion. Right. The thunder already having a good here. You're right now. You're going away here. No more having a long life. You're going here. Finish. No, it wasn't me here. You're having all over place here. Alright, you stop her. Don't get in her way here. You're answering. I don't think so. We're having a long place. No, Sabrina. You're having a long place here. Getting her if I happen so. No, it wasn't me here. You're all over the place. You're going away here. Maybe shift you were happening. Like this here. No. You're right. You don't have to be here right now. You're getting careful.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, at 11:59 p.m. This meteor is about to destroy the world. If 2020 lasts forever, this means COVID-19, or coronavirus, will be endless. All residents are advised to 500-mile radius are going to fallout shelter. This is our last broadcast and emergency alert system. Stay tuned.
You fool! Now we may never know if ants can be trained to sort tiny screws in space.
Shall die with my heart on a trigger.